And here's the exact way to send HTML email in your Gmail. So as you can see, I have a HTML email template in my computer. Let's open this HTML file, and here we can see the email template. Now I will show you two different ways to send this HTML email in Gmail. In first way, we have to use a extension in our browser. So currently I'm using Chrome browser. So here I'm searching for Chrome Web Store, and I'm opening Chrome Web Store or extension store. In the search extension box, I'm typing here free HTML editor for Gmail, and this is the actual extension we are going to use. So install and make sure to add this extension to your browser. Now click on this puzzle icon, and here you have to pin this extension. Now go back to your Gmail and let's compose a new mail. And now here through the extension you will find this option, edit as HTML. Click on this icon, and now you have to log in here. So click on login and go ahead and log in to Cloud HQ account to use this extension. Okay, again click on compose, and again I'm clicking on this icon. Again I'm clicking on this icon, and now you will directly jump into this HTML editing dashboard. Here you have to select source, and now here you have to remove all codes from this page, and now open your HTML course. Let's edit this HTML. I'm copying all of this course from here and pasting my HTML course in this box. And now as you can see, HTML course embedded without images. And now let's try to embed HTML using design. So open your HTML file in your browser, and then press Ctrl A to select everything including photos, and then press Ctrl C to copy all of them. Then go back to your compose page, and here select design, and in this box press Ctrl V to paste your HTML design. As you can see, also all codes and text embedded without images. Then if you're happy with this, then click on close editor and click on send to compose this mail. And in second way, I will show you how to send a HTML email with all images. To do that, we have to convert our HTML into a PDF. So open your HTML file in your browser, and now press Ctrl P, and here you will get the print window. Here destination, select save as PDF, and layout I'm selecting portrait, and I'm clicking on save, and select the location where you want to export the PDF and save it. Now let's go to File Explorer, let's go to Download folder, and here we can see I've successfully converted my HTML into a PDF file, and here we can see all images also showing. Now we will attach this PDF in our mail. So let's compose a new mail, and let's click on this attach files and selecting the HTML PDF file. And once the PDF successfully attached, now go ahead and send this mail. Let's add a recipient first of all, and let's send this mail. And now I'm going to switch my account, and here as you can see I received the mail. I'm opening the mail here, and here we can see the PDF. Let's open this PDF, And now here, as you can see, the email successfully embedded with all images. So this is the right way to embed or send HTML email in Gmail. Thanks for watching.